No one ever says, "I wish I didn't train today." Never. The burn in your muscles, the sweat on your brow, it's all temporary. But the pride? That stays with you long after you've left the gym. You might not feel like it. The couch looks comfy and Netflix is calling your name. But once you start moving, once you pick up that first weight or hit that first rep, you'll remember who you are. The hardest part is showing up. The rest is just momentum. You won't regret the effort you put in today. What you will regret are the excuses you make to stay home. So get up, get in, get it done. Your future self will thank you. Remember, every rep counts, every drop of sweat is progress. You're not just building muscle, you're building character. Like, comment, and subscribe for more daily motivation. No more waiting. Your best self is waiting for you at the gym. Let's go.